trim on my house was looking terrible. It was in bad shape, and so it was definitely needing covered up. I had masonite siding on, and it had probably been on 15 years ago, and some of the replacement windows had been done 12 to 15 years ago. I just didn't feel like it had the low E glass in it, and I felt like that it let cold and hot air through it. Well, I'd seen advertisements on television. I had seen different homes around town that had the signs out. They was always pleasant. They done a good job putting it on. It definitely has changed the looks of my house. I think it looks better. The color I put on, I think, makes the house look bigger than what it is. And in general, it just all looks nice outside. Well, by replacing a couple of windows that I hadn't replaced and then putting the new siding on, I do think I have a more consistent temperature throughout the whole house. With the insulation and everything, it makes it feel, when the air conditioner was still running, it seemed to stay cooler in here. The few mornings we've had to run the furnace, the one room that was cold all the time, or was colder than the other rooms, seems to be staying more consistently warm.